Hey guys, let's now turn attention to why most affiliates are rejected by vendors under 3 seconds. Note this, the number one thing that helps vendors to either approve you or reject you within the shortest period of time is your profile. I know this because my account was fully verified, everything looked good initially, but vendors keep saying no to my requests until I did some changes to my profile and everything changed. Now, let me show you exactly what changed and what you can do to also have approval from vendors within the shortest period of time. Let's go straight to it. Basically, there's no product on this platform that you cannot promote as long as you arrange your profile properly. Okay, so we only have few cases where vendors restrict some affiliates from promoting their product. Maybe they are looking for quick sales and they reserve such products to the elites, people that have recorded massive sales on the platform, maybe up to 1,000 to 10,000 and above products on the platform, if that is achievable. Okay, so only in few cases where we have such products on the platform that is reserved for the top affiliates. Okay, but outside that, there is no product on the platform that you cannot promote. Even if the product doesn't fall under your niche, you can still promote it if you choose to. So it all boils down to how you arrange your profile. There's how your profile will appear professional, so that there is no vendor that will restrict you from promoting any of their products. And most of the approval happens instantly. It doesn't take time. It happens instantly. Only in few cases where you will have your request pending for some time. Maybe the vendor is not online. So if it happens that the vendor is not online, then you see that your request will be pending for some time. But that only happens in few cases. But if you have your profile properly set, just like I said earlier, approval happens within a few days or instantly. If the vendor is already online, instantly you will get your approval if you set your profile properly. So let's go straight to it without much talk. First of all, go straight to this place once again. Next tab will be my account. That will be next tab, my account. Next will be account details. Have you seen account details? That's where you're going to tap next. And you now see view public profile. Okay, so the next tab will be view public profile. So after clicking on view public profile, you are going to see your details will come up. Can you see that I have set up my details, including my business name, and then I include my picture. Can you see there? This is my bio. I have set up all the information that I supposed to have set it up. Now in this my bio, I mentioned that I run contents and affiliate marketing business. Focus on helping beginner affiliate marketers avoid costly mistakes and build sustainable income streams. Then I mentioned the platform that I use. That I'm using YouTube, both long and short, using TikTok, Facebook, and the rest of them. I also mentioned that I create educational based content built around real tested strategies rather than hype. A vendor saying this kind of bio, this kind of information about you, will now come to understand that you know what you are doing. You are not just a beginner affiliate with zero experience. Okay, ordinary seeing this information knows that you know what you are doing, and it will be very easier for them to approve. Somebody that has a YouTube platform, has Facebook, TikTok, and you are creating educational content, you know what that sounds, how that sounds like. So this alone tells the vendor that this is a person that they should give approval to. Alright, now let's go to some other details. If you check here, you'll see that here mention to them the number of your sales. Okay, so here is telling them that this person, since he came into the platform, that he has recorded so amount of sales, and they arrange this in batches. From batch 1 is from 1 to 10, and then from 10 to 20. So if your category 4, maybe if you have not recorded sales up to 10, so you are going to fall on less than 10. Okay, affiliate that makes sales that is less than 10.
Then if you recorded sales up to 10 or above, you fall between from 10 to 20, just like that, just in that ranking. Okay, that is another information that the vendor will have to check. But for this one, you can do nothing about it. It just appears like that. Now here is another place you can do something.
Okay, so here is another place you can edit. Have you seen Facebook logo? And then you see edit profile. Just tap on that. So can you see edit personal information? Now you have legal name. You have to type in your name, your real name, okay, your legal name. Probably the one you use to open the account. If you use your legal name to open the account, you type in the name. Then the name that you want to display. In some platform we call it username. Okay, so you now type the name that you want to display. Next is your business name. If you have a business, maybe your brand name, you can type in there. Next, you also have checkout name. When you promote a product, the name that you want people to, when they are buying through your link, the name that will appear that these persons are purchasing from, that is checkout name. You now put it there. Then you have your email address. You also have your phone number. And next is your Skype address, Skype details. Can you see Skype details? If you have Skype account, this is where you're going to include your details. Now when you come down after Skype details, you're going to see Facebook. Although these are optional, but you can still include your Facebook profile link, so that this vendor, if he wants to check if you are a real person or if you are a bot, the vendor can just click your link and it will take the vendor straight to your Facebook profile. And if you've been using your Facebook to promote affiliate product, or maybe you have audience, enough audience, you have massive audience, it is a plus for you. It's a plus, because when it sees that you have audience watching your videos, listening or following you up, then it's a plus for you. So this is where you are going to put in your Facebook profile details. Now the next one here is your bio. This is where you are going to type in all the information about you, brief information that you want the vendor to know about you. You just type in there. That is where you are going to tell the vendor who you are and the kind of content that you create and details about you. And that is very, very important. That is very, very important. Select your country, select your city, select your state or province, and then select your zip code. These are all details that you must include in your profile details so as to appear professional. And once the vendor sees all this information, they know that you know what you are doing. When they see all these details, they know that you know what you are doing, and your approval will happen instantly. Finally is where you are going to add your picture. Okay, so and when you want to add any picture, you see that the size of the picture they want is, as you can see here, you see the picture has to be minimum 200 by 200 width, that is in width and in height. Then maximum, say 200 by 200, the same. So if you have any picture and you upload it here and it doesn't approve it, all you need to do is that you can send that picture to either ChatGPT or Claude to reshape it or resize it to this size that will fit this place. Just indicate 200 by 200 width and height. Once you indicate to ChatGPT that this is the size of picture you want, the AI will shape the picture or resize the picture to the size that you want, and then you can now upload it here directly. Once that is done, click on save information. Once that is done, your profile now appears professional, and any vendors that will see all these details will approve you for you to promote any of their products. That is what you need to do. As simple as that. Feel free to drop any question where maybe I omitted or I don't explain it well to your understanding. Feel free to drop the question in the comments. I will take care of that. We can work hand in hand. Alright, thank you so much. Note this, JVZoo isn't rejecting your applications. Vendors are. And they are all asking one question. Does this person actually look like someone who can promote my products? So every edit I showed you today is designed to answer that question with a simple yes. Therefore, it is the right time to go to work on your profile. Don't wait until your next rejection. I will pin the complete profile checklist So save this video so that you can reference to it when you are doing your profile editing. And finally, if you found this video helpful, please hit subscribe, because my next video will focus on the first product I will promote as a complete beginner, and then I will also tell you why. And trust me, this will save you a lot of wasted time. Thanks so much for staying to the end of this video. I really appreciate your time with me. See you in the next video.